making some slime. Okay, and we're gonna use some air dry clay. Which I have right here. Glue. Any activator for your slime. You may want to use some color. I'm using blue. My air dry clay is blue. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys. I had to buy new air dry clay because the other one wasn't like as nice. So I just went out and bought that. It seemed like a couple of seconds, but it actually wasn't. So yeah, my air dry clay is white now, so I'm gonna have to use some blue food coloring. I just put it in those little jars. Okay, so first I'm gonna add the solution. Next the salt, 1, 2, and then the glue. And I'll be back once I'm done stirring. Okay, so I'm done stirring, and I'm gonna take my air dry clay, which is right here. I put the food coloring in my air dry clay already, and then I'm gonna make my air dry clay and my slime mixed together. So yeah, this is what it turns out to be, and like it's so stretchy and like fun to play with. So it's a nice color blue. So I hope you like it. Subscribe and